Hi, I'm Dr. Chai, Wellous Food and Microbiology Advisor. I'm sure you have heard about probiotics and prebiotics, but do you know the difference and how important they are in our life? Prebiotics refer to non-digestible food ingredients that is selectively used by a host microorganism to produce a health benefit. Prebiotics must also meet these three criteria. First, they must be non-digestible and resistant to breakdown by stomach acid and enzymes in the human gastrointestinal tract. 2. Prebiotic can be used only by some intestinal microorganisms. And 3. Selectively targeting and stimulating the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria. And prebiotics do not support growth of harmful microorganisms. Some examples of prebiotics are inulin, fructooligosaccharides, which is also known as FOS, and beta-glucans. Many foods actually contain prebiotics. For example, artichoke, asparagus, legumes, beans, oats, garlic, and onions. Probiotics are live microorganisms that are intended to have health benefits when consumed or applied to the body. In other words, probiotics are good or beneficial bacteria and yeast that will improve our health, especially to keep our gut healthy. Probiotics are bacteria and yeast that are safe for consumption. Some common strains of probiotics are Lactobacillus plantarum, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium brevi, Streptococcus salivarius subspecies Thermophilus, and other lactic acid bacteria also known as LAB. Many fermented foods that we eat contain probiotics. For example, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, tempeh, kombucha, kefir, pickles, natto, and also miso. In my laboratory, we have also found that many raw vegetables and tofu contain a lot of probiotics LAB. So, eating raw salad would provide your body not just with fiber, but also probiotics LAB that improves gut's health. Synbiotic is the mixture of prebiotics and probiotics. When both prebiotic and probiotics are consumed together, it provides synergistic effect and maximizing the survivability and activity of probiotics in the gut. Let me put it in another way that is easier for you to understand. Prebiotics are food to probiotic that will support active growth of probiotics in the gut. When probiotics are consumed alone, probiotics will not survive in the gut if suitable nutrients are not consumed to support the growth of these probiotics in our gut. We humans harbors multitude of microorganisms in our body. Research shows that there are trillions of microorganisms in our body, especially in our gut. And these microorganisms contribute about 0.2 kg of our body mass. Gut microorganisms play important roles in our human health, including our immune system, metabolism, and also mental health. In short, we cannot live without good microorganisms. Scientists found that there are about 1,000 types of microorganisms living in our gut. We call these microorganisms that live in human gut as the gut microbiota. Studies have suggested that gut microbiota starts to develop during birth and reaches its stable state at about 3 to 5 years old. Factors such as mode of delivery, diet, environmental, and genetics all play a role in shaping the gut microbiota. Once established, the composition of the gut microbiota is relatively stable throughout adult life, but can be altered as a result of bacterial infections, antibiotic treatment, lifestyle, surgical, and a long-term change in diet. Shifts in these complex microbial systems have been reported to increase the risk of disease. Therefore, replacing the lost microbes in our gut by consuming probiotics have been shown to bring many health effects, not just to digestion, but also mental health. Our gut contains about 1,000 types of bacteria and yeast, and each of these microorganisms in our gut play a specific role, and they work together to bring health to humans. Therefore, the diversity of microorganisms needs to be maintained for a balanced gut microbiota. High dosage of single-strain probiotic may cause imbalance of gut microbiota. Multi-strain probiotics may provide more holistic health benefits. The most significant health benefits of probiotics, prebiotics and synbiotics is maintain healthy gut. Probiotics, prebiotics and synbiotics enhances digestion and absorption of nutrients and improves bowel movement and relieve constipation. Probiotics have anti-inflammatory activity, therefore, it has the ability to reduce inflammation, particularly gut inflammation that lead to diarrhea and other discomfort. It improves symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Consumption of probiotics, prebiotics and synbiotics has shown promising results in protecting us against various microorganisms that could make us sick. Probiotics, prebiotics and synbiotics stop and prevent growth of these bad microorganisms in our gut. Also, probiotics stimulates, modulates and regulates our immune response and play an important role in maintaining healthy immune system. Research has also showed that probiotics could regulate fat storage and may be useful to reduce obesity. Some other possible health benefits of probiotics include anti-allergic, anti-cancer, and improving mental health. However, these health impacts could be linked to specific strain and require more research to understand how probiotics, prebiotics, and synbiotics actually work to improve human